Hi guys, I'm Amanda with Source One Environmental, and today we're talking about channel drain. If you're dealing with pooling water around your driveways, patios, or pool decks, Source One's channel drain will quickly divert it away. Each stick of channel measures about 5 inches high, 4.5 inches wide, and nearly 40 inches long. It's made from polypropylene, which is a lightweight plastic that's rugged enough to handle light vehicle traffic. We offer plastic and galvanized steel grates that can be easily removed for cleaning. This channel drain is ideal for both residential and non-residential applications. It's ADA and Heel Guard compliant, and it also has a textured, non-slip surface that makes it safe to walk on. When you combine the different outlet configurations and size, this product will rapidly move water away from any problem areas. It connects to 3 or 4 inch drain pipe through the end or bottom outlets. Each stick has 3 outlets that allow water to drain faster. You can knock these out with a hole saw. One of the great features about this product is its interlocking joining system that allows you to create longer runs. You can also use a saw to cut it down for custom applications. Source One's channel drain is available as a 3-pack or sold individually. For all your drainage needs, check us out at s1eonline.com.